We received an email from our CEO that reads, "I just saw 2 different employees watching Netflix on the clock, and I'm a little concerned. I know this will be difficult, but I need a list of everyone that has watched Netflix at the office ASAP." No problem. The dashboard stores traffic analytics for client devices, which means we can find it on the network-wide clients page. We have our list of clients here, details about them in a table, an aggregate usage chart at the top, and we also have a pie chart that represents our aggregate client traffic. We're looking for Netflix specifically. When we hover over the pie chart, we have Netflix here. We can tell specifically how many gigabytes in the last day, how much in the last week. We'll change our time scope to for the last week, and our number changes. Now, the function of this pie chart is to show us our categories of traffic and how much is being used. And this data will reflect the time scope set in our time dropdown. So right now, it's showing us data for the last week. And it's also taking into account any filters applied. We can actually get a more detailed view of this data if we select More below the pie chart. Now we have a list view that includes percentages too. The question we have to answer, though, is who specifically is watching Netflix? Well, we simply need to select Netflix in the table, and now we have more details about that traffic, including a list of clients contributing. And this list tells us the name of the client device, how much traffic to Netflix that device has sent and received, and the overall percentage of usage. If we were to select a client, it would take us back to that client details page. But this is our list. Our computer host names already have the name of the owner in them, but if you have Active Directory set up, you would also see the name of the user logged in on the client summary page. So we'll get this list off to our CEO, but I'm going to start working on an excuse as to why my name is on the list.